like and subscribe. Free crypto bro.
I am not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Always do your own research and invest at your own risk. What's up my crypto legends? Welcome to another legendary video. So guys, I have another one of these Digibyte crypto faucets. As always, you need to have a FaucetPay account. I will leave a link for both of these sites in the description below, so feel free to join. Okay guys, so first thing that we need to do, we need to copy our Digibyte wallet address. After we do that, we simply paste it here. So guys, this is very similar as the Digibyte crypto faucets that I have shown you before on my channel. So you can see the balance here. This one also has like a you have a 11% chance to win 0.02 Digibyte, okay, every 10 minutes. So this is on a 10-minute cooldown. So to claim, we just need to complete these two very simple captchas. We click get reward and that's it. So I have received 100k, no, 1 million Digibyte satoshis. Here's the payment proof on FaucetPay. So the name of this faucet is digirain.top. So make sure to claim this Digibyte while the balance is updated, so those other Digibyte faucets have went offline. Story time guys, I got another goddamn strike on YouTube a couple of days ago. I got a strike for a video that I published like 2 years ago, man. Yeah, so that was my second strike. I was really mad and I was about to send them an appeal. And I mean, I got a strike for a video that for a faucet, for the Horizon faucet that I made. That faucet is not online anymore. So sometimes it can happen that some of these faucets that the site owner sells their URL domain or whatever, their site to someone else, and then someone else makes a scam under that same URL. So this has happened to me before, but sometimes YouTube just removes the link. This time I got a damn strike. Anyways, I was sending my appeal for this second strike, and I accidentally sent an empty appeal. I was about to copy paste the answer from ChatGPT, but somehow I accidentally pressed enter or clicked enter or something, and I sent them an empty appeal. Oh my god, then I was even more mad, guys. I was like, oh, they're not gonna accept an empty appeal for sure, you know. Most of the times I send them a big text, but they reject it. They don't give a damn. So I went on Twitter, and then there I like made a post, why is YouTube giving me strikes 2 years after I published a video? And I tagged all the YouTube accounts like that have that golden check mark. So I have tagged YouTube India, YouTube Arabia, all the YouTubes, and the bros actually responded and they have accepted my appeal. So really nice, guys. I have just one more strike left that will expire in a couple of days, so that's really nice, guys. That's really nice. So turn on the notification, guys. I have a lot of content coming for you. So there will be everything from Bitcoin miners to, I also have a wallet I have received a wallet, Tangent wallet. I need to make a video about that. So I have a lot of things for you guys, so please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.